Every few months you start fresh with money. New spreadsheet, new app, new promise to yourself. This time will be different, but it never is. Here's why you keep starting over. It usually starts with motivation. New year, new paycheck. New commitment. You download an app. You build a spreadsheet. You tell yourself this is the one. For a few weeks, it works. You track everything. You feel in control. You're finally doing it. Then you miss a day, then a week. The spreadsheet gets complicated. The app sends annoying notifications. Life gets busy. Before you know it, you've stopped completely. The budget sits untouched. And you tell yourself you'll start again next month. Here's what nobody tells you. You're not failing because you lack discipline. You're failing because you're using systems designed to be abandoned. Complicated tools require constant effort. The more steps involved, the faster you quit. Vague goals give you nothing to track. Save more, spend less. What does that even mean? There's no finish line to work toward. And willpower? It runs out. Every single time. You can't white-knuckle your way to financial health. You don't need more motivation. You don't need another fresh start. You need a system built to last. The Finance Reset Toolkit is designed to stick. It's simple. No 50-tab spreadsheets. No overwhelming features. Just what you need. It's visual. You see your progress every time you open it. That dopamine hit keeps you coming back, and it's fast. A 2-minute check-in keeps you on track, not an hour of data entry. That's how you stop starting over. You find a system you actually use, week after week, month after month. The Finance Reset Toolkit includes a complete budget tracker, debt payoff planner, savings goal tracker, and an interactive web app that simulates your financial future. Stop starting over. Start continuing. Tap the link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit today. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.